it's still me. Welcome back. Today I've got my December kit lineup for you, and y'all, I am stoked for this whole lineup. I love Holly Jolly season. I love Holly Jolly spreads, and I just can't wait to share these with you and get these bases down. I'm so excited. Not to be dramatic, but I feel like all of these are just 10 out of 10 top tier combos. And yeah, we're getting a little sparkly in December. So yeah, first, for the week of November 28th through December 4th, I used holiday prep. If you watched my November lineup, this combo was in that video as well, but I figured since the base is down, I would share it in this video also. But I used Holiday Prep by SPC, and I used a combo of champagne lights and olive, and I'm just obsessed. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, probably like not very cute, but like in person, it's just, it's perfect. So that was that week. And then for December 5th through the 11th, I'm using Seasons Creepings. This kit is just, it's perfection. I love spooky season and I love holly jolly season, and this kit is the literal perfect combo of the two. It's just, it's perfect. So had to scoop this, had to use it this year. And I just love all of the black in the kit, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be swapping out the purple for black. And also I'm using hollow with this, so I feel like the black or the hollow is just going to pop so well against the black. And so I have these quote overlays from PlannerPixieCo in a hollow, so I think that's going to be a whole vibe. And then, I'm so excited about this. So I picked up the Nightmare foil bundle from AliciaCraft. And this is just in hollow. So we've got the full boxes, the headers and deco, and then the bottom washi page. Okay, so that's kind of like the base. And then for the funderlays, we have Nightmare in blue hollow and pink hollow, and I got I think this is her like medium size pattern, but I didn't get like the super condensed ones because I thought that it would be super cute to layer these over black bougie. I feel like this whole combo is just gonna be such a vibe, and I feel like all of the different hollows are just gonna look so freaking sick with all of the black in the kit. So that was everything for Seasons Creepings. And then for the following week, December 12th through the 18th, okay, so this is a combo that I've had going in my little pea brain for like a year because I did not end up getting to use this last year, but this is Gingerbread from SPC. And I love it. I love all like the glowing lights. I just think it's so freaking pretty. So I really wanted to like lean into that and play up the like Christmas lights in this kit. So I'm using all string light foil from Plannahannah in sparkly gold, and I just think that that is going to be so freaking pretty together. I'm still waiting for, I think, another set of full box overlays and header overlays, so those should be here soon. But like, y'all cannot tell me that's not a whole vibe. I can't wait. So for the week of December 19th through the 25th, I'm using Holly Jolly by CaressPress, and it just felt right to use a very like traditional red and green Christmas kit that week. And I love how like bright and fun the green is in this. So for foil, I am using the CaressPress Jingle Bells foil bundle in sparkly red. But y'all know I couldn't just leave it at that. Y'all know I had to do a mixed metal sparkle for this. So I am pulling in sparkly green, and I feel like the tones of this green work really well with like the brighter greens in the kit. So these quote box overlays are from PlannerPixieCo, and then I've got some bottom washi overlays from PlannerPixieCo as well, in both sparkly green and sparkly red. I'm gonna do a whole layering thing. It's gonna hopefully be cute. TBD, we'll see. And then I've got the festive underlays from Plannahannah that I've foiled in sparkly green, and I'm going to layer these over the red bougie boxes from the bundle. It's going to look like Christmas puked all over my planner, and I can't wait. I am so stoked. And then y'all know I've got to go out with a bang. So to close out my 2022 planner for the week of December 26th through January 1st, I am using Merry Mistletoe from SPC. I just love the whole vibe of this kit and like the colors, everything. It's just top tier. I'm not gonna lie, this foil combo is definitely kind of a wild card. I think it's kind of unexpected, but I think it's going to be so fucking pretty, and I'm so stoked. So for the core foil, I am using silver. So I have some Christmas full box overlays from SPC, and then I've got the header overlays. And then I've got some quote boxes from PlannerPixieCo. So for bottom washi, I've got a couple options. I've got Fir Tree from Plannahannah, and then the bottom washi from SPC. And I'm kind of leaning toward the combo of these trees and this confetti. So I think that's going to be super pretty. And then I've got the silver bougie boxes from CaressPress for layering purposes. Okay, so here's where it gets a little spicy. I really wanted to play into the blues and purpley pinks in the kit. So I'm going to be using a combo of sparkly blue and sparkly magenta, and I just feel like that is going to be so freaking pretty together. Like, it's unexpected, but I feel like it really, really works. But I don't know if this is the exact pattern I'm going to be using. This is Mrs. Claus from Plannahannah. I also have the Christmas light underlays from PlanWithMeStickers as an option. So it will probably be one of these two patterns, but also I'm going to wait to see what AliciaCraft has for Christmas foil. She has not released hers yet, so I'll see what pattern she has before fully committing. But like, I just feel like this color combo, it's so freaking good in my opinion. So yeah, that is everything for this combo. I know it's like a little questionable, but I feel like it's gonna be good. But you know, it could go either way. It's one of those combos that could either be fugly or beautiful. So I guess we will see. So to recap real quick, for the week of December 5th through the 11th, I've got Seasons Creepings with hollow, blue hollow, and pink hollow. And for the week of the 12th through the 18th, I've got Gingerbread with sparkly gold. And for the 19th through the 25th, I've got Holly Jolly with sparkly red and sparkly green. And then for the 26th through the 1st, I've got Merry Mistletoe with silver, sparkly pink, and sparkly blue. Ooh, there's a little sneaky sneak of my New Year's spread. very, very stoked for that one as well. So that was everything for my memory planner. But I thought that since all of my bases in my pre-planner are down for December, that I would share those with you as well. These bases are pretty much done except for like date dots and stuff. So if this is something that you want to see going forward, I can start to do that next year for you. Let me zoom out a bit. So for the week of November 28th, I used holiday mail from SPC, and the Funderlays are olive. I believe the pattern is festive from Plannahannah. And then for the foil bundle, I just used the matte bronze, matte silver shimmer bundle from SPC. And then for the week of the 5th through the 11th, oh my God, I'm so obsessed with this. I went absolutely feral with this base, and I like it so much that I might buy this kit and do this color combo in my main planner next year. But yeah, I was fully unhinged with this. So this is the Christmas kit from SPC, and I used a foil bundle in sparkly green from Moonlight Paper Co., who is sadly no longer open. And then I used the string light underlays from PlanWithMeStickers, and I foiled those in sparkly red and sparkly green. And then I don't know if you can tell, but I layered those over Plannahannah Fine Confetti underlays. So the green ones have sparkly red under them, and then the red ones have sparkly green under them. And this is just sparkling to the gods in person, and it's just, I'm obsessed. So for the 12th through the 18th, I used Cozy Christmas from SPC, and I used a matte bronze foil bundle in confetti. Then the underlays are the mistletoe pattern from Plannahannah in almond, which is my like faux matte bronze knockoff foil. I've accepted that that is the closest I'm going to get to matte bronze. So that's that. And then I have Christmas prep for the week of the 19th, and I don't have the foil bundle in for this yet, but I did get the red and green foil bundle from SPC for this. And then the underlays are, I think, the festive pattern from Plannahannah in sparkly red. And then for the 29th through the 26th through the 1st, I used the, what is this kit called? I think it's Holly Jolly from CaressPress, and I kept it very simple with just silver foil. I used a bundle from CaressPress, and then the Funderlays are the twinkle pattern from Plannahannah. I have not done just a simple silver spread in like the longest time, so I wanted to keep it simple with this, and I think the silver like pops really nicely with like the darker colors. So yeah, that's that. That is everything for this lineup. That is gonna wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you're using for December. I would love to know. But yeah, thanks for watching and hanging out today, and I will see you in the next one. Later days.